The HP LaserJet DeskJet Troubleshooting Guide 2025 is a comprehensive resource designed to help users resolve issues with their HP printers. It's available as a digital PDF, mobile app, and web portal. The guide focuses on modern connectivity, AI integration, and sustainability, reflecting the evolving needs of hybrid work environments. Key updates include AI-assisted tools like the Smart Diagnose app, enhanced connectivity options such as Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3, and a greater emphasis on eco-friendly troubleshooting, such as optimizing ink usage. The guide builds on core troubleshooting steps that form the foundation of effective printer repair. First, always check power sources and connections to ensure basic functionality. Second, interpret error codes by scanning QR codes that link directly to video tutorials for quick guidance. Third, update software and drivers using the HP Support Assistant for compatibility with latest systems. Fourth, perform hardware diagnostics with AI-powered self-test modes that predict potential issues. Important concepts enhance the troubleshooting process with modern technology. Predictive maintenance analyzes printer sensor data to forecast and prevent failures before they occur. Security protocols include VPN setups to protect remote troubleshooting sessions from cyber threats. The guide uses user-friendly language with clear visuals to make troubleshooting accessible to everyone. Future trends are shaping how printer troubleshooting evolves with technology. Proactive approaches use AI to automate diagnostics and reduce downtime significantly. Sustainability focuses on recyclable printers and energy-efficient modes to minimize environmental impact. Remote support includes VR-assisted repairs where users can virtually interact with printer components. Enhanced security incorporates biometric authentication to protect printer access and data. These core steps, concepts, and future trends combine to create a comprehensive approach to printer troubleshooting that is both effective and forward-looking.